Hey guys, Mel here again. In this video tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a video into an animated GIF, like in the background here of this espresso matchmaker, and you can add that to your own version of the espresso matchmaker. You can use your own video and just try to keep it kind of short, or you can go to cover.co, cover with 2 R's, and get your own video from here. It's a great place to get videos. And you can go and select whichever section. And that's where I got this coffee one. And what you're going to need for this is Photoshop. And you'll have to have your timeline selected in Photoshop because that's where you're going to cut the clip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to open and grab that MP4 that I had there. And we're going to create the animated GIF from this. And you can see it's kind of long. We don't need it to be that long. So what I'll do is I will shorten that down to a few seconds. You don't really need that many. And let's play and see if that's good. And you can adjust the size and whatnot just depending on what you need. But we're going to just use it like this for now. And it loops pretty well. I think that's good. And to export it, what you're going to do is you're going to go to File. And it's a little bit different in other versions of Photoshop, but in this version you're going to have to go to Export and Save for Web Legacy. Generally it's just under this drop down in other versions of Photoshop, but in the Creative Cloud it's now a legacy item, which is kind of sad, but still good that it's there. And what we're going to do is create the animated GIF in this, and it's going to take a little bit to register because I made the clip a little bit long. You can make it shorter so it doesn't take as long. And it's going to be a bit big of a file. We're going to have it as the colors here. We're going to keep 256 because if we make it go any lower, the color will be off. And then we're going to make sure it's set as a GIF right here. And down here, right now it says looping options once. We want it to continuously loop in the background, so we're going to change that once to forever once this stops buffering here. Okay, and we're going to change this once to forever. Alright, so we've got that there. I think that is save. Sorry, this might be a little bit slow. I should have made that smaller, but it'll look better in the background like this. And then we're just going to save it, same name and everything. We'll find it right in there. I've created a folder for it. And then the next steps, we're going to bring this animated GIF into Storyline. So let me pull up Storyline and we'll get started on that. Alright, so now that you have Storyline open, what you're going to want to do to have it set for the whole project background is go to View, and then Slide Master here. So I like to go into View Slide Master. And now that I'm in View Slide Master, I'm going to go to the very top slide, and this is going to set the background for every single layout if you choose to use different layouts there. And I'm going to go to Insert, Picture, just like you would with any other picture, and grab that animated GIF. And so we've got it in there so you can see it applied to everything. And you can see it doesn't quite fit. What you're going to do is tailor it the way that you want it to be on here. So I might just put it in the middle. You can crop it if you want. I mean, it's just a little bit cleaner to do it this way. You don't have to. So we've got this set up. I just used the default Storyline height and width, and I can go ahead and then view that now in the main page. So let's see if this works. We'll go and view. It's preparing. And there you have it, the animated GIF in the background forever looping. And this will be applied to every slide. You might want to get rid of some of these menus if you want, and resources and buttons. It's all up to you and what you want to do with your project. And next time I'm going to show you how to set up the variables so that you can get personalized results for everyone. So tune in for that one.